Hey there Excel users, welcome to my Excel Power Tips channel. In this short video, I'm going to be giving you a demo on how to do a dynamic wildcard search using the standard VLOOKUP function. So we've got a simple data set here, company name and sales revenue. And the company name is going to be the lookup value, the search value that's going to be put into the first argument of the VLOOKUP formula function. In this particular example, the company name is Hungry Owl All Night Grocers, and we don't know all the words of the company. All we know is one of the words of the full company name, that's Owl. So to do a wildcard search, this is how you do it. So in cell B2, you type star owl star, and then the sales revenue, um, we type in the VLOOKUP formula, open brackets, and the lookup value is going to be the cell reference B2, which contains the dynamic wildcard search criteria, and then comma. Next part of the VLOOKUP formula is a table array, and that's the data set. This is a two-column data set, company name and sales revenue. And at this point, we can also lock the table array by pressing F4. The third argument of the VLOOKUP formula is the column index. That's going to be the return column, and that's always on the right of the lookup column. And the lookup column is always on the left, the leftmost column. So the return column is going to be the sales revenue. That's going to be column 2. And then the final argument is the range lookup. So do we want a approximate match or do we want an exact match? We want an exact match, so you select false. Then you close the brackets. So using the wildcard search is correctly brought across the full company name, Hungry Owl All Night Grocers, and the correct sales revenue. Now because you put the dynamic wildcard search criteria in cell reference B2, you can easily put in another word to look for another company full name and bring across the full company name and the sales revenue associated with it. So, for example, this one, Rattlesnake Canyon Grocery, we just know the middle word of the full company name, Rattlesnake Canyon Grocery. We just know Canyon, so we just type Canyon in between these stars, and that correctly brings across the correct company name, the full company name and sales revenue. Thanks for watching, and watch out for my next video.